Introducing Mobility, Pure Charge, and PowerSync MiX. The last charging carts you'll ever need. Technology is ever evolving, rebooting how we think and interact as we work and learn. As new technologies appear, devices can quickly become obsolete, along with the charging carts used to manage them, putting a strain on budgets. Our carts solve the problem with a charging solution that supports all kinds of devices, even those not yet invented. The cart doors fold back, out of the way for easy access, while the shelves are height adjustable to accommodate larger devices and cases. But the biggest breakthrough is our MiX module system. It's removable, allowing users to place it on a work surface for easy configuration. The Mobility MiX module integrates perfectly with MacBook and iPad adapters, making it simple and quick to cable each slot. While the PowerSync and Pure Charge MiX modules come ready to go with lightning cables pre-installed and charge status LEDs that make it easy to see which devices are ready to use. Carts can house 2 shelves with 2 MiX modules or 3 shelves with 3 MiX modules to support from 30 to 45 devices. And when devices inevitably change or you need more cart capacity, simply swap out or add a MiX module. It's designed to be future-proof. The cart can even provide both AC power for MacBook as well as USB charge and sync for iPad at the same time. These are the charging carts that are completely customizable for the needs you have today and the ones you'll have tomorrow. The past, present, and future is now with Mobility, Pure Charge, and PowerSync MiX from Bretford.